In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add cards on a dashboard in ClickUp. To get started, open ClickUp and look over to the left sidebar. This is where you'll find the main navigation for your workspace. Go ahead and click on Dashboards. This will take you to the area where all of your dashboards are stored, making it easy to manage reports, widgets, and visual summaries of your work. Once you're in Dashboards, open the specific dashboard where you want to add a new card. If you already have several dashboards set up, take a moment to choose the one that matches the team, project, or workflow you want to track. This is important because the card you add will appear directly on that selected dashboard. Next, turn on Edit Mode. You'll usually see this as a toggle near the top of the dashboard. Edit Mode allows you to make changes to the layout, add new elements, and adjust existing cards. If this mode is off, you may be able to view the dashboard, but you won't be able to modify it. With Edit Mode enabled, move to the upper right corner and click Add Card. This opens the card library, where ClickUp gives you different card types to choose from depending on the kind of data you want to display. Now select a category. You might see options like Featured, AI cards, Custom, Statuses, Tags, Assignees, and more. These categories help group similar card types together. So if you know what kind of information you want to highlight, choosing the right category will make the process faster and more organized. After that, click on the specific card you want to add. For example, you could choose a task list if you want to see tasks directly on the dashboard, a calculation card for totals or metrics, or tasks by assignee if you want to break work down by team member. Pick the card that best fits the insight you want your dashboard to provide. Once the card is selected, customize it using the available settings. This usually includes choosing locations, applying filters, and adjusting any other options the card supports. This step is especially useful because it helps make sure the card only shows the most relevant information instead of pulling in unnecessary data. When everything looks right, click Add Card to place it onto the dashboard. The card will appear immediately, and from there you can fine-tune how it fits into your layout. Finally, while Edit Mode is still on, drag the card to reposition it or resize it to better match the rest of your dashboard. This helps keep everything neat, readable, and visually balanced. Thanks for watching.